What's up, guys? So today, or as of right now anyway, I'm going to go see a friend. He just got a new 2017 Camaro. I'm pretty sure it's a 1LE SS. We'll see if I'm wrong or right, but I'm pretty excited to go take a look at it and bring you guys along with me.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Driving down the wrong road, playing games and feeling low, messing with my mind. How'd you do it this time? Don't know where it all goes, leaving me behind. Can you take a step back? Tired of playing catch up, would it really hurt?
But there it is, guys. This is what hard work and dedication can get you. Okay, he's 19. He doesn't have, you know, the world's best job, but if, you know, you want something and you put your mind to it, you can get it, because this car is absolutely incredible. It's freaking crazy. It's crazy, dude. It's open, right?
No, it's just like a regular standard car, you know? Just purrs to life.
Purrs to life. So nice. This is such a nice car, dude.
Yeah, but once you get used to it, it's like so much better.
Yeah, no, I hear you. You'll be able to drive it a little better. Golly, I'm not like, I was in third at like 2000.
Yeah, and
all that
like
torque.
Instant torque.
It's freaking crazy, dude. So clean.
Yeah, and this also comes with the PDR, so like if I ever want to go to like track days or whatever,
Yeah.
I can record all my times. I mean, I also have the GoPro, but you know, the PDR works better.
Does it have line lock too?
What the fuck is that?
You might not have it because it's not automatic, but I'm assuming you might still have it. It's like if you were to ever like drag race it, and you wanted to warm up your tires, you should look up into it. It'll lock the in a right turn only.
Yeah, there's a right turn only.
It'll lock the front wheels up.
Oh, and another great thing about this car is auto rev match. You know what that is, right?
Yeah, like as you shift down,
there you go. It's on the sides. You know, instead of the paddle shifters, it has them right there.
Oh, okay. I ain't gonna mess with all that. I don't know how that works yet.
There you go.
I'll drive it a little bit more fun when I get back on it. I'm gonna make a U-turn. Dude, it's so clean. And like the seats hold you in. Dude.
Yeah, the Brembos. I mean, the Recuros.
These freaking people are in my way, man.
You gotta put the pedal to the metal.
I'm gonna slow down. The park's up here, right?
Yeah, but yeah, go ahead and slow down just a little bit. You got traffic behind you, but I mean, it'll be alright. It's a Mustang too. Yeah, she definitely gets up there real quick.
That was the entrance?
No, it's down there. Yeah, it's two ways to it, but like there's a trail that leads them both.
What's the fastest you've been so far?
At 120. Yeah, that's definitely not his potential.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Sorry the sun's kind of in the way, messing everything up, but what's up, guys? I'm getting in my car right now. I'm gonna go hang out with a couple of my friends that have Genesis. I'm gonna take you guys along. I don't know how much footage or whatever I'll get because I'm new to this, but I'm gonna try to do my best and show you how we have a good time. See you guys in a little bit.
Funny, it's an experience.
No.
You're not trash. You're not trash, dude.
No,
There you go.
I wasn't even on an ollie. I didn't even get off the ground.
All right, tonight my goal is I'm gonna teach you how to do a kickflip.
Bet.
That's
Hell
my
yeah.
goal. Okay.
Guys, so thank you so much for following me on my journey throughout my little car day I had. I wish I could have got a little bit more insider stuff on the Camaro for you, and I wish I could have got a little bit more interesting things for you guys at the meet, but I hope you guys are satisfied with what you guys got. More mods coming for the Genesis pretty soon. I just have to order them, so please be patient with me. But I am definitely excited to get things rolling on the old Genesis, and hopefully, you know, I can get her looking, you know, real nice, and hopefully add a couple of horsepower to it as well. But if you guys liked following me along on my little car journey, then please go ahead and drop a like. If you want to see more, then, you know, go ahead and subscribe. That way you guys get notified every time I post a video. And if you really want to see more, and if you believe in me, then go ahead and turn on that notification bell as well. That way it'll pop up in your guys' feed, and you guys can go ahead and click on my videos whenever I pop up. Now, I'm not really sure on a schedule yet, but hopefully I can at least do like 3 times a week. I can't guarantee a new car part every time. You guys know how it is, but I can definitely guarantee, you know, some fun content with the guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.